Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. Let's get straight into this. Earlier this morning we saw quite a lot of momentum, both from the markets. Bitcoin bounced relatively well here. We got a bit of a liquidation spike, which is, well, not too bad. To be fair, liquidation spike, obviously for certain traders it's bad. But for the markets and just in general to find support, it isn't bad. So we got some good momentum and a solid bounce from Bitcoin. And what we saw, especially when you saw that drop was right here for Pepe, and then what we saw in continuation of that throughout the course of this morning is that meme coins have started to perform very, very well. All right, so here you can see the best performers. Cilinix is in there as well, but then you have Shiba, Bonk, Boom, Pepe, Doge, Floki, and then a little bit lower ladies. So meme coins are performing very well. And then if you look at Pepe, look, the last time I covered this, I think was in the weekend. And what I said, if you look at the structure here, was that we had this major resistance level here between 8,700 and 8,500, right? So then I'm skipping all the decimals, but hopefully you still understand. And the big question is that, all right, well, if you look at the structure here, so this is zoomed out, right? This is the higher time frames. We actually did start to form some sort of a more bullish structure here. But the big question is, well, can we actually break above that major resistance level, which, as you can see historically, is a very strong resistance level? And my answer was no, I expect resistance. We got resistance, but now I don't think you can ignore Pepe anymore. And it depends a little bit on the course of today. Like today, we also have some news coming in, some economic data from the US, and that's going to matter. But if you look at Pepe right here, just focusing on the technicals, it just looks extremely bullish. We are gaining a ton of momentum here. Meme coins as a narrative is actually doing great, all right? If you can even call it a narrative, but for the sake of simplicity, we will. So you have momentum, you have a major, look, the major structure break we're still waiting for, all right? Because ultimately what we want to see is some sort of a sustained breakout here above 89 and 8,700. This is very much the key resistance level. If we're able to break above this on the 4-hour time frame and we're able to hold it, let's say we're able to hold 8,700, then you have momentum, a relatively bullish Bitcoin, a major bullish breakout. Also, I could be mistaken, but I think it's also with a lot of volume here. No, the volume is actually still pretty low. So that's interesting. Volume is lower than 24 hours ago. So that could still indicate that it's a fake out. But that's what I said, all right? I think at this moment, due to the momentum, I think it's most likely we will be able to break out here and rally up to our next price target, which ultimately is right here at around 95 and 9,800. So that's what I think is most likely. I will be trading this, but I'm still slightly cautious on if we're going to be able to hold that level at 8,700. All right, so for now, due to all the circumstances I've named 3 times already, I think it's most likely we will break out. But if you really want to trade this, you'd still need to see some sort of confirmation that we're going to be able to hold support here. If we are going to be able to hold support, so either the momentum continues, or we get a good bounce, or we get some sort of a breakdown and reclaim, something like this, then that's enough confirmation, I think, to assume we've actually broken out on the higher time frames as well. And then you have a major structure break, just technically leading to that next price target at 9,700, where I do expect resistance. But then it's quite likely we're going higher towards 1,100 as well. So yeah, those are my thoughts for now on Pepe. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, you can let me know down in the comments. You can join the Telegram or the Discord as well and tag me in there. I almost always respond. But that's it for now. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.